Okay, I finally figured out how to get this band clamp on and how to make it. I originally was starting to make it out of aluminum, but it was taking me a long time, and so I started pricing out how much these band clamps were going to cost me, and it was going to be somewhere around $700 a wheel. So I decided I was just going to 3D print them, and so far they're actually really strong. It's holding up pretty well. I guess we'll find out once we start hitting some rocks, but so far it's working. And this now puts the band in place for me to be able to drill holes. All those rivet holes you see right there now need to go in here. I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, but Stray, how do you drill 34 holes in an aluminum band to match the 34 holes in the rim? And why do you have a beard? Well, the answer to the second part is I have been able to grow a beard for about 20 some years now, I think, and I've never had one before. I've never had a beard, so it's the end times. It's it's due, so we're doing it. As for drilling the holes, well, let me show you. So this problem has been plaguing me since I started even thinking about doing these rims, and I've been thinking about it, and I've tried using paper to figure out where the holes go. That didn't work. I tried 3D printing a little form to show me where the holes go, but because it's flexible, that didn't work. So what I decided I'm going to do, I'm going to take this awesome little drill adapter, and I'm going to drill some holes. So I take this cool drill adapter, insert it into one of the holes, make sure it's straight. This is an undersized drill bit, so it doesn't have to be a perfect fit. I'll come back and clean it up later, but this gets me through. So all I have to do is put a little thumb pressure behind it. I'll do it with my left hand. A little thumb pressure, pull the trigger on the drill, and we're through. And now I switch to a 5/64 drill bit to widen the holes. And there you have it. The holes are now the right size for the cleats. So we can slide the cleat in. So the cleats can now sit in there. Rivet pokes through. So the next step would be to hammer down this here rivet, or all of the rivets, and place all the cleats. But I can't do that yet because I need to wait for it to warm up a little bit outside to finish painting this rim, as well as painting this band clamp. So this needs to be sanded a little bit, primed and painted yet. So I need to wait another day or two, and we'll get to that part as soon as I can.